I don't think a lot of people,
Sure.
Luke, know that this, organization exists.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What exactly do you do, and what type of cases do you take, and then what type of cases do you not take,
Sure.
and then also what's the eligibility as far as income and things of that nature?
Sure. The South Alabama Volunteer Lawyers Program covers Mobile, Baldwin, Washington, and Clark counties. Provides legal services in civil cases only for people who qualify. The basic level of qualification is 125% of federal poverty guidelines. That's not the only thing, but that's kind of the basic level. We have roughly 800 lawyers in those 4 counties that I just named to you who have agreed to take cases for free for people who qualify, and cases that are in civil areas of the law, and cases that don't generate a fee. So in other words, if you an accident victim, you should call Bill or somebody else, and because they can recover some money for you and to pay the lawyer. But in cases where there is no fee generation by the case, we have lawyers who have, like I said, around 800 who have volunteered to take cases in all 4 of these counties for free for people who qualify.
Yeah, and what Luke says is really important, because, like, personal injury cases, on a contingency fee case, like Luke said, there's going to be some type of fee or a recovery, and so therefore that lawyer can get paid from there. But what if you need a divorce, or what if you need a real estate lawyer, or something of that nature, or your neighbor's being a pest and you need to have a lawyer for something like that, or you're having a dispute with your family members from your mom's will or something like that, and if you can't afford a lawyer, all hope is not lost. There's not going to be, just like Luke said, there's not going to be any fee or money generated from that case, but you still need a lawyer, and you shouldn't go at it alone. And Luke, you mentioned these are civil cases, but if you need a criminal lawyer and you can't afford it, the state's going to appoint you one anyway, correct?
That's right. The state or the federal government, wherever you're facing a charge, if you can't afford a lawyer, the court will appoint one for you. So that's why Volunteer Lawyers Program doesn't handle criminal cases at all.
You don't need to.
No, that's right.
It's like the Miranda rights. We've all seen TV of what you say can and will be used against you, and if you can't afford a lawyer, one will be provided for you. But that's criminal. That's not. If you need a divorce, the state's not going to pay for a divorce lawyer. That's when you need help with someone like Luke's organization.